And now the big question will be answered with these three dispensers. What's really going on, PEZ collecting fans? Josh the PEZ guy here on the PEZ Book channel. Do me a favor, leave me your questions, your comments, your concerns, any and everything down below. Now then. So to answer your question, Pluto made that mark right there. It was all you, Pluto. It was all you. Bad dog. So until next, or wait, whoa, hold on. Video here. I have to answer the question that everybody has been asking. Okay, one person did. Josh, should I display my PEZ in the package or loose? Well, that's easy. Do whatever you want to do. It's your collection. It's your PEZ. I mean, if you're really looking to, profit in the end, don't collect PEZ for that reason. Oh, I'm going to cash out in 10 years from now. Don't collect for that reason. Collect because they're fun. Look how happy this ghost is. Look how happy this pumpkin is. Look how happy this witch is. PEZ is supposed to be happy. PEZ is supposed to be fun. And PEZ is also supposed to be tasty. Oh yeah. That candy corn, I'm really starting to like that. Tasty. Whew. A little sweet though. Not a big fan of sweets. Now I do know this. If you have it on card like so, over time, through poor storage around here on the sides, you can have some issues. And some of the issues you can have is it actually just falling off card. So where this plastic is glued on, they don't use the best glue in the world. Sometimes the candy will get hot and it'll melt, and then you'll see stains back here in the back. There is a PEZ collection video that I'll be posting where there are some vintage carded items with some no-feet dispensers where the candy is just melted like you wouldn't believe. It's all black in there. So that is a negative part about collecting it on the card. But if it is a dispenser that is really hard to find and it's on the card, it will fetch a little bit more value, that's for sure. How much value? It all depends on the dispenser at the time and the person who's buying it. Something is only worth what someone will pay for it. And I really enjoy PEZ. And the way I really enjoy PEZ is by bringing smiles to people's faces with little happy things. So to answer your question, loose or carded, my answer is it doesn't matter what anybody else thinks. It's your collection. It's an expression of you. But always, always have fun with your PEZ. And PEZ the way you want to with your candy dispensers. So until next time, stay happy. Yay! So happy.